So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the y-axis name of a chart on a Keynote presentation. So once you have Keynote open up, what I want you to do is to go to the top bar right here, press on chart, and just select whatever chart that you're looking for. So for this demonstration, I'll just go ahead and press a 2D, very basic chart right here. Now if you want to edit the y-axis, so that's this axis right here, simply press on the chart, go to the right hand side of your screen, scroll down. There's a whole bunch of different options here that you can select from. But I want you to go to the top here to where it says axis and press on that. Now where it says axis options, go ahead and press on axis name. Make sure that if you want to edit the y-axis, that the y-axis is selected. You can change the axis name right here. So as you can tell, it appears right here. And if you want to change it, we can just title this the y-axis, just like that. If you want to get rid of it, you can obviously turn it off, turn it back on, whatever the case may be there. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to edit the y-axis name of a chart on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.